Altieri Power Hair. Unpredictable, exciting, on the cutting edge of fashion. Tony, Ricardo, Catherine, legends in their own time, altering the destiny of every hairdresser they touch. Altieri Power Hair. Across America, throughout Europe, and around the globe. They're showing the world what Icon for Men is all about. They define it with every swipe of the shears, every drop of controlling gel or splash of grooming cream, every spritz of natural holding spray. From the moment they step into the spotlight, high energy takes over. Bold styles take shape in a frenetic combination of models, music, and made-to-order design. Altieri Power Hair, an icon for men. From cut to style, sensational. It doesn't get any better than this. So let's head back to the salon, where Tony and Ricardo are about to demonstrate two great cuts.